Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best knife sharpener is probably one of the most essential tools you can have in your kitchen, transforming dull, frustrating blades into razor-sharp instruments that make cooking a joy, and today we're diving deep into the Drueware-au Knife Sharpener to see if it truly lives up to the hype and can bring that professional edge right into your home. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening System. Many find Whetstones daunting due to angle control. This system includes an angle guide that automatically locks your blade, making professional sharpening easy even for beginners. It requires no oil, ensuring a clean and straightforward experience. Unlike cheaper alternatives that quickly wear out, its CBN-infused composition ensures it stays flat 3 times longer. This advanced technology allows it to cut faster and resist chipping, providing lasting performance. One kit effectively replaces 3 inferior stones. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need right out of the box. It includes a dual grit whetstone, a bamboo base, an angle guide, and helpful instructions. Plus, it uses water for sharpening, eliminating the need for expensive honing oil and reducing mess. Its dual grit design is ideal for all your kitchen needs. The 1000 grit effectively repairs dull or damaged edges, while the 6000 grit polishes them to a razor-sharp finish. This combination covers most home knife sharpening tasks, preventing unnecessary purchases. This single kit allows you to maintain your entire knife collection indefinitely, saving you money on professional sharpening services. It sharpens kitchen knives, pocket knives, scissors, and more. The edges it creates last longer than those from electric sharpeners, matching professional results. Beginners can achieve razor-sharp edges in just 10 minutes with this system. Its safe, non-slip bamboo base keeps the stone secure during use. This makes it perfect for home cooks, chefs, and anyone seeking professional-grade sharpening at home. What we like. This system makes traditional sharpening accessible to everyone. With its included angle guide, even beginners can achieve razor-sharp edges without guesswork. If you're looking for professional-grade results and want to master the art of sharpening with confidence, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. This angle-guided system features a 3-sided abrasive jig end clamp. It makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. Its sharpening angle is easily adjustable from 15 to 30 degrees in 1-degree increments. This allows you to reprofile old blades or create a beautifully polished edge on any knife, even serrated ones. It features a tri-abrasive rod, letting you quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. This tool also includes a V-block clamp to secure your knife safely and consistently. All of these sharpeners come with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each one is meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility, ensuring reliability. These sharpening machines are designed, engineered, and calibrated all under one roof in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure they are sourced from the highest caliber manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. What we like. This kit offers unparalleled precision for consistent edge angles. Its adjustable angle system allows you to customize the sharpen for any blade, from 15 to 30 degrees. If you value exact, repeatable results and want to fine-tune your edges with a guided system, this will be your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwachas Electric Knife Sharpener. Meet the new and improved Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwachas Electric Knife Sharpener. It builds upon its predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities for every knife and tool you own. This system makes sharpening faster, easier, and more repeatable than ever before. Achieve perfect edges with minimal effort. Its flexible belts conform to any blade, from kitchen knives to serrated edges. You can even use it to sharpen outdoor tools, lawnmower blades, and scissors. The 2-speed motor provides the control and power you need for various tasks. Whether it's delicate kitchen knives or heavy-duty garden tools, it handles them all. An integrated edge guide supports your knife all the way to the tip, making sharpening incredibly easy. You'll achieve consistent, razor-sharp results every time. Every sharpener comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty, reflecting our commitment to quality. Each unit is meticulously designed and quality checked in our Oregon facility. Designed, engineered, and calibrated under one roof in Ashland, Oregon, we ensure the highest standards. We source components from top manufacturers globally and in the USA. What we like. This electric sharpener brings speed and versatility to your sharpening tasks. Its flexible belts and 2-speed motor handle not just knives but also axes, garden tools, and scissors. If you need a powerful, all-in-one solution for a wide range of household and outdoor tools, this is incredibly efficient. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 2. Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener. This innovative tool is designed to bring a razor-sharp edge back to all your blades, making them perform like new. It features a unique 4-slot system to handle every sharpening need. From repairing damaged blades to fine polishing and even sharpening serrated knives, it does it all. Achieve a professional, razor-sharp edge with just a few simple strokes. This sharpener quickly and easily restores the cutting power of your kitchen knives in 3 easy steps. Designed for both right and left-handed users, its ergonomic non-slip grip ensures comfort and safety. Simply pull your blade through the appropriate slot a few times for fast, effective results. With this professional kit, you can sharpen and hone a vast array of knives. From chef knives and paring knives to hunting and pocket knives, it's the only sharpener you'll ever need. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this sharpener is built with strong, durable materials. It ensures long-lasting performance, providing reliable sharpening for years to come. What we like. This manual sharpener offers a straightforward, multi-stage approach to blade restoration. Its unique 4th slot specifically sharpens serrated blades, a feature often overlooked. If you need a quick, easy-to-use solution for everyday kitchen knives, including those with serrations, this provides excellent convenience. What people say. Number 1. Narcissus QN M866 Electric Knife Sharpener. This electric sharpener brings professional results right to your kitchen. It's much more convenient and faster than traditional manual methods. It works perfectly on various straight blade knives, including chef, slicing, and santoku knives. Its professional 2-stage system handles all your sharpening needs. The crude stage quickly sharpens dull blades, while the fine stage polishes them for a smooth, burr-free edge. A magnetic box at the bottom collects metal dust, keeping your counter clean. Simply insert your dull knife at an angle, keeping it close to the outer wall. Pull it from outside to inside, repeating 2 to 5 times in each slot. You'll enjoy like-new sharpness in just seconds. Equipped with a 30-watt DC motor, it ensures stable operation for over an hour. This allows you to sharpen all your knives without worrying about overheating. Its wide-voltage design makes it suitable for global use. Beyond knives, this versatile tool also features a dedicated slot for sharpening scissors. We recommend watching the product video for optimal use. We stand by our product with a 12-month free replacement or refund policy. You also get an extended 24-month after-sales service. Please contact us immediately if you encounter any quality issues, and remember to read the instructions before first use. What we like. This electric sharpener provides fast, professional results right in your kitchen. Beyond knives, it includes a dedicated slot for sharpening scissors, adding extra utility. If you prefer the speed and ease of an electric sharpener and appreciate thoughtful features like a dust collection box, this is a great choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.